Go! That one is faster!
We're getting pretty high.
I was looking what color ticket we have. Here must be not very much, be careful. We're not completely sure what's going on, but we've got to find out and add more salt to it.
Great food, great people, a great adventure.
It was exhausting, but it was really cool.
Delicious food, adventure, conversation.
Cheers.
Cooking together and vibes and singing in the fireplace and making new connections.